Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you a new product that I just picked up. I think it's great for everybody to have. Let me share it with you here. It's a Bluetooth OBD2 tool. So if you don't know what these are, you simply plug it into your Obd2 port, and this will link to your phone through Bluetooth, and it'll tell you anything that's wrong with your car. So if you have any check engine lights on, any codes it's throwing, this will tell you what that means. So you'll know if you need to go to the dealer or if you're okay, and you can reset the lights as well. For the cost of these things, it's really good to have. You can go to the dealer, get your light taken off, they'll tell you what it is. They'll usually charge you $100-something just to do that, a diagnostic test on it. And this will tell you the same thing. So then it'll tell you if it's something major. I've showed you guys one before that had the full screen on it, the whole thing. This is a nice one because it's more compact. You can keep it in your glove box and you just download the app to it. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like here. So again, it's a simple little part. It just plugs in, only goes one way, and then you download the app that it has. There's instructions on the box, and it walks you right through it. So the Obd2 port is under the dash on most vehicles. Just locate it. Here's this one right here. Some will be on the right side. You just have to find it. And again, this only goes one way, so don't force it. They're all a little different, but they work the same. So once this one gets plugged in, I'll show you here. Okay, when you plug it in, it turns, the little light turns green. Shows you it's ready to go. And that's all you do. You plug it in, you have the app on your phone, and it walks you right through it. You don't need to start your car. You can turn your car to the accessory mode, and it'll run through the full thing, the full test that it does. You know, I like these mainly if you have any issues with the car. That's kind of why you're wanting to use this. So if you guys do tinkering with your car, if you put tunes on and all that kind of stuff, this is a good tool to have so you know exactly if there's any problems with it. Just goes in there, and like I said, you're just reading the prompts. Very simple. I'll put a link in the description for this one. This one's not expensive. Works with Android or Apple. It's a really great part to have. Like I said, it makes it very easy. Just pick one of these up, keep it in your glove box. Then you don't have to go to the dealer. If you have any issues, you can at least know what it is. So you put that in and push that twice without your foot on the brake. Put it in accessory mode. Like I said, they're all a little bit different, but they work all similar. You just have to read the directions. This one I like because it's Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about it. It's a very small part here. Just keep it with you, because the time you need it is the time you're going to spend a couple $100 to figure it out. So I just keep it in there. When you need it, you're good. If you get any lights on, you'll know what it means and how serious it is. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Something useful to have, and it won't break the bank. It's kind of that insurance that you never know when you need it. So pick one up just to be covered. I appreciate it, guys. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone.